Whether you are preparing for IELTS, TOEFL or PTE, this video is for you. Today I'm going to teach you binomials. By learning these binomials, you not only improve your score in any of these exams, but you also appear more confident, natural and fluent in English. So I'm going to teach you most common and powerful binomials with examples and meanings. Let's jump right in. So the first category is most common binomials used in everyday English. Like for example, safe and sound. It means unharmed, healthy. We reached home safe and sound after storm. Give and take. It means mutual compromise. Every relationship needs a bit of give and take. Back and forth, moving repeatedly in one direction and then another. She was pacing back and forth nervously. Black and white. Black and white means very clear, simple. Rules are not always black and white. Now and then. Now and then means occasionally. I go for a walk now and then. Now comes towards the next category, and next category is binomials with opposite words. Like for example, high and low. High and low means everywhere. I search for my keys high and low. Right and wrong. It means morality, ethics. Kids must know the difference between right and wrong. In and out. Entering and leaving. He has been in and out of the office all day. Day and night. Day and night basically means continuously. He worked day and night to finish this project. Up and down. It means moving in both directions. The elevator went up and down all day. Now comes to the category of rhyming binomials. Like for example, wear and tear. Damage that appears from regular use. The car shows signs of wear and tear. Make or break. It means be successful or fail. This deal will make or break the company. Hocus pocus. It means trickery or nonsense. Don't believe that hocus pocus. Wishy-washy. Wishy-washy means weak or undecisive. His answer was too wishy-washy. Chit-chat. Chit-chat means casual talk. We had some chit-chat before the meeting. Bits and pieces. Small things. I packed my bits and pieces into a box. Now comes towards the next category, and the next category is alliterative binomials, and these are binomials that are starting with the same sound. Let's look into it. Part and parcel. Part and parcel means essential part of something. Stress is part and parcel of any job. Trials and tribulations. Trials and tribulations means difficult times. They have been through many trials and tribulations. Prim and proper. Prim and proper means well behaved or very formal. She's always so prim and proper. Now comes towards the next category, and the next category is binomials that are attached with or. Let's look into it. Sooner or later. Sooner or later means eventually. Sooner or later, you have to decide this. More or less. More or less means approximately. It's more or less the same idea. Win or lose. Win or lose means whatever the result. Win or lose, I will give my best. Right or wrong. It usually means regardless of the situation. Right or wrong, he always supports his team. Let's jump towards the quick quiz, and you have to tell me how much you score in this quiz. Let's jump right in. I searched for my passport but couldn't find it anywhere. Up and down, high and low, here and there. I searched high and low for my passport but couldn't find it anywhere. Number two, every friendship is based on a little give and take, win or lose, pick and drop. And the correct one is give and take. Number three, we worked to finish the project before the deadline. Day and night and day, over and under. Day and night is the correct one. He has been of the hospital all week. In and out, up and down, off and on. And the right one is in and out. Number five, this car has some from years of use. Tear and wear and tear, scratch and dent. And the right one is wear and tear. Come on, stop the and tell me the truth. Chit chat, wishy washy, hocus pocus. And the right one is hocus pocus. You will have to decide. You can't afford it forever. Sooner or later, right or wrong, more or less. And the right one is sooner or later. Number 9. Success and failure are part and of every career. Piece, parcel, portion. And the right one is parcel. Number 10. Don't worry. They arrived home after the accident. Safe and sound and safe, fit and fine. Yes, the right one is safe and sound. So if you like this video, don't just sit back and forth. Hit subscribe, like, and share it with your friends so that we can all grow together. See you in the next video.